Spain reports more than 9,000 cases of COVID-19 and 309 deaths from the disease. Only China, Italy, and Iran have more confirmed cases. Many countries announce border closures in an effort to contain the spread of the new coronavirus. Millions of people in Europe and the United States begin staying at home as large gatherings are canceled and schools and some businesses close. And in Israel, Benny Gantz, leader of the Blue and White Political Alliance, wins enough support to form a government after Arab parties join his coalition.